Hi guys, Alvaro here. So as you can see, it's a rainy day today. But I have tickets for Aquatica Aqua Glow tonight. So let's see if it's gonna be a rainy night or a fun night. Let's come and see. It's 5:22 and it's raining hard. Let's see what the night brings us. Still raining and we made it in. As soon as you get in, they give you this bracelet as proof as you are for this event, so do not take it off. The design when you get in is like so beautiful. Everything was closed because I went early and it was still raining. So while everybody was cleaning up, I just went to check what was the food options. This is the bar option. I give you like a full list of what they have right there. And I just walk around and see like what options of food do they have, if they have desserts, if they have, just looking around to see the food options. And they have plenty of options for everybody, even for the little ones. I have to say that everything looks so good, but of course pizza is the place for everybody. I got the popcorn and the Rice Crispy Aqua Glowed, and it was so good. They have a lot of places to take cute pictures. And I have to say to remember to bring your water shoes because this floor hurts your feet. I went to the bubble pathway and it's just so cool. I mean, you bump into each other because you don't see like who is in there, but it's so much fun being in that bubble pathway. The music makes everything better. Like the music that they have is so pump up and so like that you just want to dance in there all day and all night long. The sky cleared up and everything was back in and running. So this is the first water slide that we went to. After that, we went to the lazy river, but I call it the crazy river. It was so much fun and fast. The decorations, like just on point. You want to take pictures and video in every single like turn that you take. Just look at that. We were there for a while, and after that, we went to the jellyfish garden. It's just beautiful. After we walk a little bit, we went to Ray Rush, and this is the view from the stairs. It's just amazing to see Aquatica in nighttime. It looks so beautiful. And this ride was very scary at night, so be prepared for screams. We walk all the way to the front where the party was going. In the front they have so many lights going around, and then in front of the wave pool they have the DJ who was pumping everybody up and putting such amazing songs and music that putting everybody to dance. Because of copyright reasons I could not put the music here, but this is a little bit of me having fun and singing all the musics in the wave pool. You can rent cabanas. They are right in front of the wave pool, and the decoration is on point. The party was over at 11 p.m. and I have to say that it was such an amazing time. If you have the opportunity to go, you have to go. This event will be only available until September 26th, but only on select nights. So check the website before going. Well, guys, it was actually a fun night. Remember that when it's in Florida, never trust the weather. And that is the end of the video. Have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.